Hello, welcome to Tech Social channel. Today I am making a video of Dabur Herbal Gum Care Toothpaste, and inside there is a free toothpaste, toothbrush. So you can use it, very useful. It's natural, and also neem is very useful for our teeth. You see, it's a neem extract from neem plant. It's known for its antimicrobial properties. It's traditionally known to reduce the risk of gum problems and removes bad breath. So for diabetic patient also is very beneficial because as we know there will be a sour taste of neem. For diabetes sugar patients, if they can control their sugar. What are the ingredients are there? We can see herbal extract and is neem extract. So originally made from Dabur. Dabur is a very famous company. It has many products. We can see very genuine and original products. And in this we have one free gift, that is toothbrush. Inside there is a toothbrush which is very free. So use it, this one, for your healthy gums and fresh breath. There are no fluoride, no harmful chemicals. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for making different products so that you can use in your future. Please subscribe channel. Thank you for watching my channel. We can unbox this product like this. Inside there is a brush and paste like this. So Dabur Health. Yeah, you can use it for your benefits. Again, I am telling you, if you like this video, please subscribe for getting good videos like this. Thank you for watching and for my channel.